Hello class. So today I'm going to do learning outcome number 3, which is comparing and contrasting the total body versus component approach to developmental sequences. Developmental sequences approach is that it focuses on the process of motor skills instead of the quantitative product of the skill. So developmental sequence either uses the total body approach, in which looks like the whole body when you look at the whole body, versus the component, which only looks at the segments of the body, such as specifically could be like your arm, could be your trunk, or it could be your legs. In both of these approaches, description of movement approach are placed in order from inefficient movement patterns to efficient movement patterns. And each stage progresses as they learn fundamental motor skills, so it kind of gets harder as they go. Under the total body approach, we look at the performance of the entire body of the child in that moment in time. The body segments are looked as a whole. They work together, whereas component approach is the opposite. It describes how specific body segments change over time and how only one body segment are linked to one another. And then according to the book, it seems that they're most likely the only differences they have, and that they have more similarities than differences. They both track developmental progress, but it also depends on who you're training, who you're working with. For example, in research, or if you're working with an elite athlete, using the component approach will probably be better to learning specific skills, because if you think about it, these athletes already know how to do the skill as a whole, but breaking it apart, so breaking it down to each body segment, like the arm or the trunk, or the leg, so that the total body is overall better. The total body approach is overall better. Thank you.